This bonus lesson looks at root A, root B equals root AB. We've got a few different questions on this topic. Let's start off with this simplified question. Have a go in your own time. Okay, if that's A and that's B, then we can write that as square root of 5 times 2 is square root of 10. Oh look, something divided by itself equals 1. Next question is a calculate question. So I'll let you know when I've written them all down. Oh, do you know what? It's not a calculate question at all. I'm just going mad. It's a true or false question. Sorry. Right, ready? So let me just write these out. Have a go in your own time. True, 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 true. They're all true. Skip to the next question if you like. Otherwise, this one is simply square root of AB written with P's and Q's instead. Obviously, A and B are arbitrary, so that one's fine. This one here, we could split it into square root of x squared, square root of y. Because you've got a P and a Q here, you've got an x squared and a y here. That's the whole point, you split it up. And then you go, oh, well, the square root of x squared is simply x, so it's x root y. So that explains that one. We'll do this one last, because it is a bit complicated. This one again, we can split it into a 25 and an x, so that means that's equal to square root of 25 square root of x, which is simply 5 root x. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Which means that's wrong. So you might have just been hanging on waiting for my explanation. You might be thinking, how on earth was that wrong? So, and I'm immediately thinking, shall I re-record the video? And I'm not going to actually, because I don't think it's the worst thing that just on this one occasion I've kind of made you sit through the explanation, because you get a bit of an insight into some of my techniques and thinking, which can help. Anyway, whatever, blah blah blah. Or is it because I'm too lazy? I don't know. I think it's fine. Here's this one. I'm going to prove it. So square root of A, B, square root of C. What have I done there? Well, I've just split it into two different objects, just as we were before. And now I'm going to split this into two objects as well. Splitting it into an A and a B. There you go. So that's how you prove that one. Now we've got a calculate question. Have a go in your own time. See you back here in a minute. Well, the answer is 6. This, instead of being the square root of A, square root of B, is the square root of 2, square root of 3. So the answer, instead of being square root of A times B, is the square root of 2 times 3. So I can just combine them. So that's square root of 6 times square root of 2 times 3, which is square root of 6 times square root of 6, which is 6. We're going to finish with a difficult question. This is a simplified question, and it's not easy. So if you find it too difficult, you can always just kind of watch me do it. Or you might even think, do you know what, I've hit enough learning points for me, I can feel the improvements, I might not bother doing this one. Because you've got to tailor your learning, you can't learn everything at once. So this is the last question. If you're hanging around, have a go if you want to, and then you can watch me. And by the way, the final answer we're aiming for is y root z. Right, I'm going to have a go at this. Let's combine the first two. So then that's the square root of x squared y, square root of x, y, z. I'm just going to combine everything now that's on the top. I think that's actually better. So I've got the square root of x cubed, y squared z divided by the square root of x cubed. Oh yeah, so now I'm going to split it back up again, so I get the square root of x cubed, square root of y squared, square root of z divided by the square root of x cubed. So now those two cancel, and the square root of y squared is simply y, so that's y root z. There we go, we've done it. Hooray! See you next video.